Hi there, this is Teach English. Welcome to the program. Today we are going to talk and learn about idioms in English. በእንግሊዝኛ ኢዲየም የምንለው በእኛ በአማርኛችን ደግሞ ፈሊጥ ወይም የፈሊጥ ንግግር ይሆናል። ኢዲየም 1 ፈሊጥ፣ ኢዲየምስ ሲሆን ደግሞ ፈሊጦች ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እና ዛሬ 10 አመጣላችኋለሁኝ። ይሄ ፓርት 1፣ በሚቀጥለው ደግሞ ፓርት 2፣ ሌላውን ከ10 እስከ 20 አመጣላችኋለሁ። ያንን ያዘጋጀሁላችሁ። Okay, let's dive in. Number 1, crack someone up. That means to make someone laugh a lot. አንድ ሰው በጣም ማሳቅ ክትክት ታርጎ ማሳቅ በቃ ክትክት ብሎ ሲስቅ ያ crack someone up ይባላል። Example, that joke you told me, it cracked me up. Past tense ሲሆን ማለት ነው። ያ የነገርከኝ ጆክ በጣም ከልቤ ነው ያሳቀኝ ማለት ነው። That's it. Number 2, be all ears. Ears, ጆሮ. What's the meaning? Listen carefully. ልብ ብለህ አዳምጠኝ። በአማርኛ በእናትህ አሁን የምነግርህ ነገር ሲሪየስ ነውና ጆሮህን ሰጥተህ አዳምጠኝ ማለት በእንግሊዝኛ ደግሞ be all ears ይመሳሰላል አይደለ? Let's make example. Please listen carefully what I'm going to tell you because that is important. Okay, go ahead. I'm all ears. እሺ ጆሮዬን ሰጥቼ እያዳመጥኩ ነው። ቀጥል ማለት ነው። Number 3, winter blues. Feeling sad during winter. ይሄ ደግሞ ምንድነው? በብርድ ጊዜ በቃ ያለ አይደለ ቅፍፍ የሚለው ደጁን ስታዩ ጨልሟል፣ ይዘንባል። በረዶ ሀገር ያላችሁ በረዶ በቃ ወርዶ ጭ ሆኖ ያ ምንድነው የሚባለው? ዊንተር ብሉስ። ያ ፊሊንጋችሁ ያሳነሳችሁ ዊንተር ብሉስ ነው። Let's make example. Oh, she gets a winter blues. ደብሯታል፣ ጨፍግሯታል፣ ደስተኛ አይደለች። በቀላል winter blues. Be snowed under. The meaning is to have too much work. በስራ መጨናነቅ፣ የስራ መብዛት። Let us make example. I'm snowed under with work. እኔ በስራ ተጨናንቄያለሁ፣ ስራ በጣም በዝቶብኛል። Number 5, go south. Go south ማለት something failed or went wrong. አንድ ነገር ሲበላሽ ያለ መስመር ሲሄድ መስመሩ ሲስት ወይም ዓላማውን ሲስት go south. Let's make example. You know what? All my plans went south. All my plans went south. All her program went south. Or whatever he's intended to do went south. ያ ማለት የሚሰራው ወይ ፕላን ያደረኩት ፕላን ያደረገችው ፕላን ያደረግነው ሁሉ ገደል ገባ ማለት ነው። በቃ ቀረ፣ ተበላሸ ማለት ነው። Easy. Number 6, in no time. In no time. Meaning something done very fast and quickly. Let's do example. I'm going to finish my project in no time. ፕሮጀክቴን የምሰራውን እቅዴ በቶሎ በፍጥነት ነው የሚጨርሰው ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Next time when your boss telling you that, you know man, you have to finish your work in no time. That means you have to finish your job quickly. Number 7, keep someone posted. Give update. Meaning to give update. መረጃ መስጠት ወይም አንድ ሰው የደረሰበትን ቦታ ማሳወቅ። current situation, current ሁኔታውን ማሳወቅ። Let's make example. Please keep me posted. For example, if someone's telling you, would you mind if you keep me posted? Yes, I will. I'll keep you posted. Easy. ያ ማለት እሰጥሃለሁ፣ እነግርሃለሁ እንደማለት። Number 9, piece of cake. That is sour. It is so nice. You know, piece of cake is everybody knows it is something easy, something simple. It's not difficult. But how many of us are we going to use when we speak English? Please, next time when you are speaking with people or you are writing anything, please use piece of cake. Piece of cake. It is simple. It is easy. በጣም ቀላል. Wow. Let's do example. The exam was a piece of cake. That exam, the math exam, the English exam was a piece of cake. The last and the best, number 10. Number 10, a last resort. That means it is a last option. የመጨረሻ አማራጭ ብላችሁ ወጣችሁ ወርዳችሁ አስባችሁ ተጨንቃችሁ የመጨረሻ በቃ ይሄ the last resort ነው፣ ይሄ ነው የመጨረሻው ብላችሁ አንድ ነገር ስትወስኑ ወይም ያን ነገር አፕላይ ስታደርጉ that is called a last resort. Let's do example. Taking the taxi was a last resort to reach on time at the wedding. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're done today. We studied and learned 10 interesting idioms. Until I see you with another exciting and interesting idioms, have a nice day. See you soon.